In this video, we'll discuss about data-driven tests using data providers. We'll consider a pet store sample where we have defined two resource functions to add and get pet details, and we have also defined some test cases to test these functionalities. Now let's say we need to add some more pet details to the pet store. So if we are to add some more pet details and test, in this conventional manner, we'll have to repeat this test case again and again. This is when data providers come in handy. Data providers are functions that return different data types, allowing you to execute specific test cases or handle errors efficiently. They support multiple return types such as map of tuple, array of arrays, or error. So let's improve the test written for the previous pet store service to utilize data providers. We'll define a data provider function that will return all the pet details that we need to add to the pet store application. Then we can input this to a test function to add the pet store details to the pet store and utilize the same test function against this whole set of data points. Then we can specify this data provider as input to the test function. We need to change the test function to accept pet records as input. Now let's execute these tests. Our original test suite had only 4 test cases. With the additional data provider, we have introduced some more test cases. Now let's see how we can execute a selected data entry from the pet store data provider. You can run a specific test by specifying the test name followed by --tests. In order to run only a specific case from the dataset, you can use the test name with the key to do that. You can use hash sign as the separator. If we execute this test case now, you can notice that only that case is being executed. In this video, we discussed about data-driven tests using data providers. This functionality is especially beneficial when you need to repeat tests against large data sets.